I right for what they do. I have been apologizing to my wife since then. I've been apologizing to her. You understand? So, but the truth of the matter is that the disrespect is too much, which they give me. In any slightest mistake, she goes on live stream and which is bad. I'm not there yet to consagate my wife. I'm muted. Can you hear me? I'm muted. Now, this message is for all those women who they talk say, Inoge, let your wife talk. I know they hear me. So you are muted. Now when they say you are muted, then you need to go off and come back again. Okay? Now when they say Inoge, you are muted, then you need to go off and come back again. You need to go off and come back again. Sorry. I mean you need to go. Okay, may I show you? Like you need to go off the YouTube again. You type official Inoge TV on YouTube. You get? Then you go enter like this. Then you enter. You feel them. All those women who they talk all these things, say message to Inoge, please allow your wife to speak. Allow your wife to speak. This is very bad. Go read what will be say, man. Their husband give woman belle. They know for this Europe. Some of una there will be women will be say, man. Their husband give belle for this Europe. They know, una know. Okay. Una know I feel mention people names. May I call names of the women will be say, man. They know say their husband give woman belle. They even know say the woman don't born. They have never for one day come on social media to swear good for their husband. I not sleep with this girl. I not give woman belle. Now when they tell me say I no see document for Europe. If now you go ever you go to fit on your wife, sorry. Do you know the manipulation? Please say I don't think I talk for my wife body. Till now she not play evidence. Till now she not play evidence. There is no evidence to prove. There is no evidence to prove. Say I talk down on my wife, even if I delete them. Come outside and play it, please. Come outside and play it. Me, I be person will be saying, man, I dey accept my wrongs.
You dey accept your wrong for public.
Eh?
You dey accept your wrong for public.
Mind your way.
They start coming for yourself. With swear with your life. Swear when you say sorry. I'm not friend. I'm not fucker now. Is that to apologize to a woman?
Is that why?
Is that to apologize to a woman?
Okay.
Am I stupid?
Why will you apologize?
Is that apologize to a woman? If you for now selfish next tomorrow say I dey blame you. You go see my take voice me back.
As what?
You go see my take blame.
I beg you.
Sorry.
Okay, why you go carry egg?
Why no carry egg for you?
Tell me.
Why no carry egg swear for you?
Which face?
Why no carry egg for you?
Which face?
I said that thing. We the
Which
friend.
no,
That document, you not go see her because if you see that document, you go dupe at this one. We go fair break before you go see that document. I don't go tell that your room you see that document. But you be devil.
Now they see person.
You be demon.
Now they see the people who they talk say beggar.
You say God left for single mother. You bring
You
me
see
that.
evidence?
I see evidence.
For where? For my
For your
blue zone.
single mother home.
Okay, because
For single mother I see evidence. So I'm a blue zone of truth. Because you don't say no before.
see my
I
wife.
see evidence for single mother. Oh, if evidence not there, you're saying a lie. Oh, that guy thing no happen. When me see evidence for single mother, why you not go lie? Why you not go lie for?
You
why you not go lie for?
the way they support us
I'm a please on her truth. That girl, she's right.
But without no evidence.
She not finish. She not.
Without evidence.
And your God, she will not get evidence, but she say 100% truth.
Make she can't use the mouth talking now.
For single mother, oh, if single mother say I know.
What I talk about single mother?
Lie. You go lie. You say your woman is a useless man. Your woman is a useless woman. Make it cost me.
What do you tell me for social media not pass that one?
Make it cost me.
What do you tell me for social media not pass that one? You not cost me, mama. You not cost me, papa. So why you talk about that one now? I beg, chief.
You not cost mama.
Not be your matter I come for.
You not cost mama.
Larry,
You no curse mama.
What's it called?
You no curse mama. Me, you curse mama, I curse your mama. You call me Ashago, I call your mama Ashago. Get matter de die.
Biragudo.
You declare road for public.
See.
You say, oh, if woman
Official
VRT. They send me for his house.
Listen, let me tell you, all the things that they do, I dey take blame for my action.
If my husband want beg me, my people go say sorry.
I dey take blame for my actions.
I beg, don't tell me sorry. The next thing, waiting, we fuck. I see waiting you don't use.
That's why they tell us say more than leave begging.
We were afraid.
The main reason why I come on social media now, not before. I am not here to saga her because in any little thing. In any little thing, she always go on live stream.
I pray you ever see push me, you dare me and I do it.
Okay, why you not for where? Okay, now I dare you now. Me go stab yourself.
You dare me.
Now now I dare you now. Me go stab yourself. Since I dare you, now make you come on social media.
Okay.
They swear go for me.
What we are expecting? I should come on media and defend you, and I can never try that to you.
I don't say
that is what we are expecting.
I am not telling you to defend
now,
me.
Now wait till they expect that.
I am not telling you to defend me.
Ma
they married to wife.
Not you go marry now.
Ma they married for this Europe.
Men
don't give women belle.
You go do one
even some the.
Not me we are there. You say the same. You go try. That no sense for us.
We are you done now.
When both of us did the same roof. I go there for outside the year say me and the man.
Maybe they go that side now.
If you go try and they born you well, why you not they stay with them? As you the single mother rich, why you not they stay with them?
Me not talk to you.
You go use that.
Where are you done?
You go use that to take clap until finish. You come back to us.
We should talk to
Try yourself again. Try yourself again.
See, my people, I beg him. I beg. Una wey be women. Where they talk say.
You they beg me that they hurt your wife. You are crazy. You are stupid.
As I say they beg me that they hurt my wife.
They hurt your wife. They bully your wife. You must be very stupid.
How did they bully you?
You must be very stupid.
How?
Bully me like what did I do? I don't get it. I be man. I don't get it. It's not
I don't beg you to marry 4
How
hours.
you say beg me?
4 hours.
How you say beg me?
I don't beg you.
How you say beg me?
4 hours.
Can you swear with what you pay?
Yes, I can swear.
Swear with your life.
I'm not call yet.
Swear with your life. Swear with your life.
That we're not with life video.
Swear with your life. Don't lie against me again.
I tell you against you. You don't swear for me.
Yes, I swear for you.
Why would you do that?
Now you're what people.
Why would which girl? There is nothing that I will tell you. Other people go tell me say I don't think get document. You don't my girl go tell me say I don't think get document. You know if you do am. Not be you born me. I will be there.
Better.
I will be there. When I need a boy.
We not together. Get you document.
Now when we go there together, go give me that document. I will be there.
Better.
Not be you born me. You have no word over my life.
We not there again.
No, you have no word over my life. But what are they? What is wrong with you now?
No, say na sashik. No, say na sashik. You let them bring me down or me down. You never come up better to defend me. Say not be my wife.
I bet more than shift here.
You're the laugh. Devil in you, man. You are stupid.
Please, guys, thumbs up the video for me. I don't want to end the live video. Una know the way she did be before. If I do live video, she dey always dey talk put. I not call you consaga. Now the women where they message a no gay, allow your wife to pour out their anger. Now I come message say, will you ever do this to your husband? Will you ever do this to your husband? Will you ever? You and your husband go get problem. The best place for she to come is to come on social media and say her mind.
When you not put out to me, I don't come in here. When you not put out to me,
you have every right to be angry with
when
me.
When me not go put out, I should angry with you inside.
No,
I support you
no,
inside.
you still come with that.
Is that what you want?
You invest for me.
Now wait till you want
but
that.
You have no right.
Now wait
to
till
curse me, Ogun.
I go curse you, Ogun.
You have no right because traditionally I have right to marry another wife.
Go and marry.
Traditionally,
you will leave this as a
if you say no go traditional, I have right to marry, and you don't have right.
You will have the right. I got the right to shit.
You don't have right.
Who say market shit?
You don't have the right.
I have the big right.
Then you are not ready to marry.
I have the big right.
Then you are not ready for marriage.
You go and shit outside. You will leave this room. I go and make your room. I go and do your stupid thing outside. You will leave this room. I go and start your own foundation. I be shitting upon yourself. I should start shitting upon this.
Please, guys, thumbs up for me. Please, guys, thumbs up for me. You can also super chat. YouTube, guys.
for public.
Please, thumbs up, guys. Thumbs up. As you are coming in, please help me to share. Now play something. Get someone even talk.
You are mad.
Because the one that they talk, Lao. That's why I come on last stream. When I wait, I just the. Get yes, traditionally. Because if a man offends his wife, he go tell her sorry. I never claim right. But you using violence to do it now. Let me tell you, say I have right to marry another wife.
That is why I'm sorry for you and cursing you, disgracing you. You keep claiming right, you keep claiming guilty, so you not do it for public. Inside, what is your action? You keep claiming you are. I know I'm wrong, but inside you are saying you are right. Are you okay? I mean, what the food for public?
No.
Now me what the food for public?
I stay talking now.
Now me what the food for public?
I stay talking now.
You live video they say my people I know I'm wrong. For instance, you say you are not wrong. Now me what the food? You are stupid.
Me. I tell you say I'm not wrong.
Of course, let me swear for you.
Oh, you not get the right.
I have the right.
Even if I tell you say I'm not wrong.
I have the right. Now
to go use that test for me.
Yes.
Okay. To go use that test for me.
Of course.
What did you?
Of course, I'm not regretting. I'm not even feeling to regret you.
I beg you. Mona share the live stream for me. Mona the power tap for me. You no get this, you no get that. If I still call this live video now, what does they talk? Now they talk.
That is a big lie of you. That is why we continue having problem. Because you claiming you are not right or public.
You know that.
What were you telling me inside?
What did I tell you for a second? Can you say it?
So you are a devil.
Can you say it?
You say, okay, what did I do? We knock, I do bad.
Maybe after too much beg.
I do bad.
After too much beg, you tell me say, go.
You beg you after too much.
After waiting too much beg. Did I sleep with her?
You are a devil.
People don't sleep with her. Now let me want to be bad. Now let me want to be bad person.
You never go sleep. You never go sleep. You are a devil.
I don't go sleep with two.
You never go sleep for outside. You are a devil.
With two now, with two.
You are a devil.
With two who I sleep with.
Jesus.
Who I sleep with. That's the godmother. That's the godmother. What do you do? Not this to go even give you my belly.
Where I not push you go back up.
Eh?
Where I not push you go walk.
You were the swear for me. Maybe not better for life.
Where I not push you. The single mother of Tiri, you could have shame of yourself. Where I not push you go back up.
I beg you.
Where I not push you go walk.
When I thumbs up the video.
Where I not push you, make you shock the world. Say, now since my woman quarrel, now I shoot this thing. Then I push you to go afraid the single mother. You are a stupid man.
Easily to insult. Easily to insult.
Nonsense.
Easy to insult. Hard to take corrections. This issue happen. There is no evidence of proof. Husband never even react the way they react. See, I bet me no women come and talk again. Say, you know, go and apologize to your wife.
Now your behavior make me they curse you.
If I see any woman,
you come and call the police fans.
Wait, come and I tell the police fans.
You come and call the police fans.
How? I tell police fans.
You come out. What's up with the bikini?
Hey, okay.
As you say, Omo block me. When you talk, you say, honey, CMO, you see, I need to explain. My friend come for therapy. May I call home the last video? Explain myself.
What do you want for therapy?
Let me call her. May I friend my daughter go therapy. Let me come by myself. Explain now for live video.
Okay, go.
Because
may you go first.
They claim me good man of public.
May you go first.
You are a devil.
It's like why you go?
I don't care the whole world should say Nora is a bad woman. I don't care. If you realize your mistake, you carry me that thought to me. You beg me. I'm not going to shout like this.
Not be make me the beg.
I'm not going to shout like this.
Say me you sorry.
When you take back. Share some story on live video.
Before I go live.
Send me story on live video.
Before I go live, play audio.
Send me story on live video.
Before I go live, play audio.
Send me story on live video.
No.
The live video when you the video when you play for live video. You play out on me first.
No, they turn up. I want cut this thing.
You play out on me first. When me say play out on me before you go live video, you say me I don't worry. When they call the guy don't trust money, I tell you when they call this guy don't trust money, you say me I don't worry. Then you tell me. Anybody who want call me, Mama Nora is a bad woman. May they call carry to give
because
you.
There is no woman that do the thing that you do. There is no woman. You lack sense of reasoning. Because if you don't lack sense, all the women where they still say the message, which one they bring?
You not go come out for public.
They do it.
Because they tax fast, they claim say you are wrong for public. For instance, you are claiming you are
me.
right.
I tell you say I'm right.
Of course.
Me.
Now make me swear for
don't beg you for 4 hours.
You say?
If I got to say, I not sleep with her.
Jesus.
I don't sleep with
I
her.
don't care, you be devil.
I don't sleep with her.
You be devil.
I dey beg you for more than 4 hours.
You be devil. Jesus, you beg me for 4 waiting. For 4 waiting.
Lord, you do.
You be devil in you, man.
Man, you not saint.
You be devil.
You not saint.
Like,
no, say person
sorry.
character.
Sorry, I beg you, I fuck her. Because I don't say I'm a married woman. Now make me wrong. Sorry, fuck her. Now so you tell the same woman sorry for the village. No, they feel yourself for public, say, I'm being a fool. You don't feel yourself, beg for public. This house, you're going to follow me, they make water. I go talk one, you go talk 10. I go talk 10, you talk
okay,
one.
wait.
If
now, okay, wait now, calm down. Calm down now.
You bring me down to her.
May you calm down now.
Telling me, my parents now is that you were telling me again, you then friend. Telling me to go and be supporting your own girlfriend. Any less than he said. Not be so less than
let's assume.
Again, you
okay, now, wait.
Telling me to go and be supporting her.
Me now,
less than
let's assume say what you dey talk on our
I
truth.
curse you.
Let's assume say what you dey talk on our truth say they claim right. Is that the reason why you will take an egg at the middle of the night to swear for me that as long as me and you dey together, say I no go get document, there will never be something useful that will ever come out of me.
It never happen. You dey craze. You dey fool me like this.
No, let's assume now say I dey claim right.
You dey fool me like this.
Women, can you do this to your husband?
Like now your character make me do
women,
that.
no, can you do this?
You are claiming right, causing me your top.
No, women, can you do this?
Nonsense.
No, women, can you do this? Like, because say you and your husband get misunderstanding and the issue, maybe the way they talk, so maybe I do
I purposely go that far. May we break up. I purposely go that far for people to advise you, say, Enoge, that woman is a devil, leave her alone because I'm tired of your nonsense. I purposely go that extent for people to analyze the video and advise you.
Okay, now
Enoge, if you know what is good
now that you are tired,
leave that woman
now that you are
alone.
tired, you
Go your way. Go and find your better life.
I
purposely do, and if you don't leave me, I know say you are a very stupid man.
Since morning, I never insult her. Tomorrow now she go say, now what I do for her. You see, you know if you like person character.
You be nice person.
You cannot.
You dey live video. Since morning I never insult her because
I never felt insulted.
Because you're alive. Yes.
Because
you're alive. Yes.
No, me never felt cussing for life before.
You want let people know.
When we quarrel, me can't tell but but I decided not to do it again.
Because you want to get the settle with the talk.
Yes.
The settle with the talk.
Yes.
You want let people know say for live video.
All of them when they talk say,
they talk for live video.
my mother is too real. Hope you can do this to your
husband.
husband.
For live video. You want let them know
hope
say,
you can do this to
cut live video so me come bring your character come out. Cut live video, me come bring your character come out. Me they show me how for live video. Because you never see where I go.
I never see where I go.
You never see where I go.
I never see where I go.
Yes, you never see where I go.
So like as I did now,
yes,
I don't see
where I go. No.
Now make I do here.
You never you know where now say make I talk.
Talk
you
now.
Never see where I go.
Talk.
You never see where I go.
Talk.
You never
talk.
I say,
that thing where you want to talk.
You
so talk.
never see where.
If you not talk that thing, I'll go kill you. Talk.
You never see.
I want me one cause you now. I want provoke you. Or go kill if you not talk that thing where you want to talk.
Money.
Eh?
You get money to go there to hotel.
Okay, because I not get money to go there to see you. I get money. I listen a better thing one
you get money.
If I not get money,
you get money to go there to hotel. Can't single mother now make them put you now they are way be that. So they call it so they'll put you for us.
I not get money.
Control of single
mother. Now that way you want to laugh me.
Control of single mother make them.
Say I not get money.
Control of single mother make them put you for us.
I think say maybe you get one go do one talk. I not get money, want to laugh me.
Control of single mother because they are way be
that. Okay, now go take for foundation money.
Money. Now where be that to control one of the single mothers?
Why I claim me victim you are?
Because you want to be alive, you don't have to claim you. And not get pity for a no girl. I just study for a no girl. Man, no is the devil.
No, me go take for foundation money now. Me I take lodge.
Now you measure foundation, not concern me.
Oh, because you say I not get money. There's no way in that you go.
You not concern me concern your foundation. Now you the measure foundation. You want let people know say. I'm the devil, I'm the witch, I'm the bad. You now for public, I study for no girl. God camera me, you can't bring your character.
Work here.
God camera me, you can't show your dirty character. Let me call the correct because you they claim set for public. Devil is us.
Okay, I declare set for public. Okay, now me want play audio now. See what my wife do me. Yes. At first, I apologized to her.
You did not apologize.
I
You did not apologize.
Okay, no problem.
You did not apologize.
Assume.
Even when my friends say
I
Annie,
don't apologize.
even when my friends say Annie, apologize to your bro.
Yes.
You say you're not wrong.
Me.
You said you're not wrong.
Okay, let's assume say what you talk so not
truth. Not truth.
Let's assume.
I not feel like
okay, I agree.
Not truth.
Say I'm not wrong.
See.
Okay, me agree now. Say I'm not wrong.
Now.
Okay, you know that. More you brought for. More you brought for. You carry egg. See what my wife do. At the middle of the night.
Woman will pour for you. You they break her down.
Did I sleep with anyone?
You never break my down.
If I not tell you, go know.
How you tell me? For Laveton, you tell me. Laveton, now you tell me. Now you tell me. How you tell me, Omo? You tell me that this matter long like this. You tell me that this matter long like this. How you tell me? You tell me now this matter long like this. Why you dey lie?
Where is the video?
I not feel lie. I not care anybody. Make the whole go there against me. I will stand by my right. You tell me that the matter high.
Because the women
you tell me that the matter high like
this. You don't know how wicked you are.
You tell me I'm a devil. I'm a devil because of your bad man. Now make you never get that call document because God knows say if He gives you, you're going to be a devil.
More than listen to what you should do. Let's assume say they claim rights. Yeah. So because you and man get problem, so the best way to treat that man is to lay curse on that man. And we learn every day, because people they talk say message to no gay. God reach some women wey be say men their father marry more than one wife. A lot of women are from polygamous families. A lot
you will never see document except we are not together again.
You cannot say it.
If me not
be my God.
Me and you not fit me see that thing.
Oh yeah.
Better.
Better.
Me and you know except we not
better
again.
Better.
I don't better with you now.
Okay, Fiona.
I don't cut her. Me and you not fit me that thing.
God will surprise you.
God go give you but we not dey again.
He go there for your presence.
God go give you we not dey again. And
people go dey pray for me.
You never see documents. Your prick full everywhere.
Which prick?
You never
where they?
Your prick full everywhere.
Very easy to manipulate.
You don't play love me for four. You have they sleep because they rape me for night. Because
very easy to manipulate.
Nonsense.
I thought you have changed.
I thought you had changed because you are a devil. I thought you had changed. Keep pretending you're public. Me, I'm not going to pretend you're public.
Me, they pretend for public.
Keep pretending you're public. Keep pretending
because no, they don't know say you don't swear for me.
Keep pretending.
That's why I can't tell them this one. They say you don't swear for me.
Keep pretending.
Me want to see women.
Your reaction make me.
You have no right.
I have the right.
You have the right.
Now what that the
for where? Which was of the mouth?
Which was if you get up and you go give 10 guests, but I swear for you.
If me in play evidence.
At the record.
Hey,
you
know the record.
If you get document, you go give 10 guests, swear.
If me,
yes, swear.
If I don't ever tell you,
use that word again. Document, you get 10 guests, okay? Yes.
May wait till I come for this time.
He said.
But if now wait till they revoke your document.
He said.
Don't worry. You see you because you see say they tell you say bad woman because when they change and say me talk say if I get give them woman how they bring mark on Europe. My people, woman how they bring mark on Europe. Woman how they bring mark on Europe. At the end of the day, woman how they bring mark on Europe. Woman how they bring mark on Europe. At the end of the day, the woman. Hey, where's my phone, Seth? Where's my phone? Woman how they bring mark on Europe. Woman how they bring my call Europe, my people. At the end of the day, the man will still dump the woman.
Why you not get time before you know me? Not be me coming for this job. The document easy. Why you not get time before you know me? Why you come saying that you give me documents? As you take a salon, as you take a salon, you don't use money buy papa for me. Not be you build me. As you take a salon, if the document easy, why you not get time before me? I met you this document. Why can't you have the document?
May you go now.
If you get that document, you go get 10 get belle. Now I swear for you say that document not go get her. And so shall it be.
Yes. Because now, you don't talk this one since so. When you come say they are not calling you evil because you let people to support your evil way.
Which evil?
Me now, they tell you now,
Which
say,
evil?
I revoke that I'm
Which
sorry
evil?
when I tell you.
Which evil?
For that, this one of please matter.
Which evil?
I owe you no explanation.
You
I owe you no
You don't
apology.
even owe me again. You don't let.
Me.
They tell me don't let.
I revoke every apology.
You never say apology
For you to
me.
carry a go
It's
swear
late because
for me.
you say you give 10 guys, but let you say swear.
Why you
for
not
you.
talking since?
Why not talking since?
Why you not talking
Why not
since?
talking since?
Why you not talking
Why
since?
you not talking since?
Why you not talking since?
Because I want
Because they cause you say
because
I
I want
want
give 10 guys.
even if I would tell you say I want give 10 girls
I go
belle.
swear for you again and again. You are evil. For you to tell me to go and be supporting your girlfriend, you are devil. You can kill me. Before you kill me, I go bring you down, kill you. If all of them want to put the door for you, say they want to support you. I don't care.
If what you talk so not truth,
Yes.
that swear go really
He
work
go
for you.
reach me.
Or collect your documents.
I say,
from your
amen.
hand.
He said.
Una wey dey support una wey dey support am say Allah to he shebi na so take na so una wey be women take dey he.
No be first, no be second. The third photo you come carry sickness.
Shebi na so woman take dey he.
No be first, no be second. The fourth so you come carry sickness come for me.
Shebi na so women take dey he. Shebi na so women take dey he.
No be first, no be second. The third one and fourth na sickness you carry come for me for his house. You are swearing. They claim nice for public.
But not be even because of a matter I come live stream.
Now because of my matter you call live stream.
Because of my matter.
Because of my matter.
Now, okay, make the remote you now make the talk.
Because of my matter.
Now make the remote you now.
Now my matter you dey talk.
Now make the remote you now.
Now my matter you dey go. Let the world know I'm evil. I'm evil. I'm devil.
Hey yama baba. Hey yama baba, no problem. Hey yama.
The man.
Yeah,
So
man.
they claim victim for public. They hurt me for the chance. They claim right.
My people.
Nonsense.
Una wey dey talk say let your wife fee. Shebi wa beg area yi. Abeg all those women, I know 3 wey don message me. The marriage wey make me even come live stream. I know 3 women wey don message me. Wey don message me tell me Epa let your wife eat. Madam, I will expose you. I go bring your picture come o, madam o. I go bring your picture come o, madam. Because your husband dey Stuttgart for there. He don give you my belle and you know it. You still there with that man. You no run. The one wey still dey castle too. Papa Amadi. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi kọ́ ló wo. I no see you come on social media o. Come talk say let your wife feel o. I no see you come on social media. Come talk say let your wife eat. I'm not seeing that kind of person. But let your wife heal. There are ways you treat issues, not in this manner. That day, no. You got to move in live video.
You say more good you follow
You
say yes.
You don't say at the time that this thing that they say.
Me.
Must she talk? She
Why
say,
not go talk?
without good they kill me. Oh, not better. So I beg, I can't do this video this afternoon. I'll be this morning.
Nonsense.
For this my YouTube. I'm gonna follow this my YouTube. I'm gonna toss up the video.
Use me build your YouTube. I don't care. Use me build your YouTube. I don't care. Use me build your YouTube. I don't care. I go far for you to be
I'm a blizzard. You suffer yo.
So fed up.
Now I'm a blizzard. I'm a blizzard.
I'm a blizzard.
You suffer yo.
You laugh over it and you know something. There is something that
I never know anything.
There is something that made this guy to
I never know anything.
You never told me.
I never knew anything.
Tell me.
Anything.
To be forcing me to go and be supporting your girlfriend. You go regret yourself. You go regret the day. Now this woman born for me. You go regret the day when you say I want marry you. You regret her. Let them call me devil. I don't care. No. Way I'm open now. You see nobody wants to pull away. Opportunity now is here. Go use the top like I said. Because they are living and they are waiting. When not gonna have to carry your carry come meet us now. You cannot take the words now because they will the quarrel. Hey, go good now. You cannot do it now. You have big freedom now.
They come
with the quarrel.
May you they go now.
Not be you tell me if my boss I reach I go go. And not be like you with the food, your depression for children, but this with the quarrel.
You see, now we like children.
We know go where I know go, I not supposed to go.
No shy. God forbid. See.
Sashi, the verse for your PA. You can't go place them for one WhatsApp group. Me for them make a man calm down. Sashi, the verse for PA. And the whole world was quarrel with me. And not the woman a bad woman. Now you are versing your husband. That woman a devil. And not get never marry. Oh. Now you say me drop that PA. No, he said a Sashi. No, he said a Sashi. You can't please the Sashi so that you can't open one group. Group for them. In case make she for the no as it the happen.
So wait oh.
No.
But woman did this journey where you me and you know.
No sense.
He will give my
If that's your plan, you already get the social. We are not together. You go there, you go give get belle. I can't to say now my baby papa na man where I born for will not there again. So you get out to give woman belle. Not we are still on that roof. They bring me down for your side chick. They tell me I go support your side chick. He said video when you said about your wife. He said dare you to play it.
No, not get sense.
Because you don't fed so before.
Where for one?
For your single mother theory.
Yes.
Yes.
What
you
happen?
say it before.
What happen?
You say it before.
What happen?
You say my woman are useless woman. If you
yes.
you
because of what you do that time.
So why you not denying?
With your character.
Why are you not denying?
Are you not that useless?
You are the useless boy here. You are the most useless boy here.
Are you not that useless?
You are the most useless boy here.
Go sit down.
You are useless like me. I'm useless like you. Both of us are useless.
No, now you.
What you said do? Now go to the table say you are easy to deceive. You believe why not believe when it fair before? Why me not go believe? We have the use me to the climb single mother. You are stupid.
Okay. Then tomorrow now, if person come insult me, because they say the way you take the talk to my husband not like am. When you don't just do an example. Now I see you again. The only thing we go make me you quarrel for this social media again now. Person talk to me and you want to reply the person. I dey wait for you that day. I dey wait for you. I dey wait. The day when person go talk to me and they say you want to talk. Or person come talk say because you are living by example. This is example.
How many times I don't talk to people who talk to you and her? How many times?
That's why I call down here.
That's
not the way we want.
I dey craze.
We are reading already.
I dey craze.
Because you may have to me
Nonsense. Yo, they clear nice one.
You may have to me
They clear nice for live video. Cut live video. Now I make your character full everywhere.
Now me sit there here. Now me I sit there here.
I go use you back. Use me back for there. I don't care. I probably do that thing. Push you. Make the old women advise you say, hey, no, this woman, leave this woman alone.
Now you go leave me.
Leave this woman alone. Leave this woman alone.
You go leave me.
Because you never get where to go now. You never get say now.
You
not get, you not.
So you they laugh me.
You not get plan now.
You
not get plan.
But no, me go one. They ask me money for you.
They don't they pay me again because of you.
You may go. They pay me. Jamie, they pay me. Jamie, they pay me.
Too much money when they put for
Jamie, they pay me.
Because of the too much money when they put for my account.
Jamie, they pay me.
Because of the too much money when they put for my account.
Jamie, they pay me.
Too much money when you enter
my account. They say you when they talk say I don't get money.
Too much money when they see when you enter my account. Then they say me I go bring how those money to enter my account. Now I go find results. How the money to enter my account. Now I go bring proof how those money to enter my account.
The thumbs up is very low.
No sense.
Nora, on the light. Nora, on the light. What's up, guys? On share. What's up? We are doing it. The thumbs up is very low. But wanna share the live stream for me. I'm a please. If you not come back up play, my phone waiting is there. My phone waiting is there. Kapari and lesbian and mobilize. If you not come back up play that when I say give you, when I take bring my wife down, Kapari. Because if you are going to use 130 euro to repair phone, I go call the play audio here because TikTok, now screen record, YouTube for you. And if I cut and I go do here for life. You feel am? If you not come play that thing, or because if person send me something now, I delete them, it go dey my head. That is so when people never fair hear, Where you say me tell you about my wife, if you not complain, una wey dey beg me, I beg una for on this junction, una you let me be. On this junction, please, una you let me be. I don't obey una reach. If I stop this woman's issue, I don't obey una reach. If you not play, omo please. I look stressed now. You don't make person lose stress. It's not me the oppressor for his house. Check on me, check me. I look stressed. I look stressed. This is not about settlement of me and my wife now. Not be that one owe me. Omo please, that thing so when I send you, when I delete my phone, they say I call Canada today around 3. I give you nothing some hours. Come on social media and play it. If you don't play, I can't play our evidence audio. That's what I tell they do. I'll show them like this from A to Z. This phone, so why would me and you talk not really day like that? You feel am. That film wey you look for, you go see now. But try make you dey relevant after this film. That is it. Because you know if you use my talk, say I bring down my wife for you, I delete am. That thing wey me delete, come and say it. If not, the one we talk for your husband, but I can talk everything with evidence. You know, so audio me they play. Since then you never play audio. I hear that say they say your husband say no want you again because you are an adulterous woman. Not be only my body for the first time they do this thing. You have been doing this thing before, but now me can't draw your leg come aside. Because if I knew you that you are a married woman, I'm not even follow you chat. I'm a man. I have right to do anything that I want to do. I get right to do anything. But don't let me say I'm going to cheat on my wife.